Hello, everybody, and welcome to CCS 102 Performance Task. To start, our program starts with a flowchart. From the beginning, our first output is displaying the welcoming message and rules. After that, it displays a question. Then, the user will input an answer. If the answer is correct, then it will add one score and display a correct message. If not, then it displays an incorrect message. It repeats 3 times, going back to displaying another question, adding a total of 3 scores. After every loop, it displays the total amount of scores. Then the system will ask again or no. Choosing again will begin at the start. Choosing no ends the program. Now, let's start on the programming side. Now, in the programming part of the performance task, we will start by adding include stdio.h. Then we will make our main. Then the first is declaring our integers, which is int score equals 0. It is to count the scores of the user, then int answers. This is for storing the user's answers. Then we begin on the printf, displaying the welcoming message and rules. Welcome is then print the rules of the program. Okay, Erika, you know what to do. Just cut this part of the code because I am not going to finish all this. You know what to do. Cut this part. No one will see this part. Wait. Okay. Cut this part. Do not let anyone see this because it's too... Okay. Okay. I will mag-start ako. I-cut mo abot dito so that malaman nila na ano. Okay. Okay. This will be my part on the programming by cut this part out. Okay. 3, 2. Okay, this will be it. This is where I will stop. I will hand this over to my group mates and they will do the rest.
The entire trivia program, from start to finish, is structured around a 3-part loop that handles each question individually. This structure is what makes the quiz interactive and functional. The program uses a series of printf statements to display the question itself and the list of possible answers. As you can see here, there are a lot of printf statements from row 19 to row 24. It says, what is the largest planet on our solar system? And That is the question, and these are the possible answers. From Earth to Mars, like 1 to 4. As you can see, there are some special characters after each word. You can see that there is a \n character, which means new lines. This is a special character that creates new line, ensuring that each option and the main question appear clearly on separate lines, making the quiz easy to read and follow. Now, this is the point where the program pauses and waits for user to input. This is the critical step that makes the program interactive. First, printf, enter your answer, displays a prompt telling the user what to do. Right here. Scanf with the %d and answer is the input function. It takes the number the user types and hits enter on and brings it into the program's memory. The format specifier, which is the %d, is crucial. It tells scanf that the program is expecting an integer, a whole number like 1, 2, 3, or 4. If the user typed letters, its process would fail. Address of operator and before the variable name and answer is also critical. It tells scanf exactly where in the computer's memory to place the number that was just read without the end, and the program wouldn't know where to store the value and the quiz wouldn't work. This final stage uses conditional logic to determine if the user was correct and update the score accordingly. This logic is handled by the if-else statement. You can see it, right? 27 until 32 from question 1. The if condition. The structure is if, answer, correct option number. The correct option number, as we can see here, is 2 because the largest planet in our system is Jupiter. If it prints the success message, correct, it uses score ++, the increment operator, which is a concise way of saying score equals score plus 1. This adds 1 point to the user's total score. The else block, if the if condition is false, meaning the user's answer was incorrect, the program skips the if block and executes the code in the else block. The else block prints the failure message, wrong, and also rule that about providing feedback. Crucially, the score is not modified within this block. This complete cycle, present, scan, and check is independently repeated for every single question in the quiz. Question 1, question 2, and question 3. I can show you right now. Here, we can see here, from here to here is question 1. Question 2 is right here. From here to here. It's the same code. I only copy-paste it because it's the same. I don't need to type it all again. From question 3, from here to here.
So by running the file is we need to find the file first. We are going to click this file titled Trivia. So it is already compiled, so all we need to do is just run this program, and I am going to show the results if do we need to debug it.
Finally, this is the part of our quiz program where this section will display the user's total score and provides feedback based on their performance. Let's run the code first. Answer the question. There we go, and answer the number 2. This prints a message indicating the quiz is finished. Once you answer all the questions, then it will show the user's total score out of 3. And finally, the program will personalize feedback.